Hey guys, so I'm coming to you guys on this video recording because either you have been joined by me to our Empire group, or you have been joined by a team member. And there are three different groups that you guys have probably gotten access to at this point, because there is a group for people that want to know about our products, and then there's a group about people that want to know about our business plan, and there is our training group, which once you guys become a promoter for Pruvit on our amazing The Empire team, you guys get entered into the Empire training page. And this is where I'm going to share with you guys how to get started. You know, whether you've bought a kit, bought products to start selling trials, or you need to pre-sell your items. I'm going to share with you guys how to get started and how to get started successfully. If you are on our team, you have also been entered into our Pruvit chat team, which I'm here as a leader to answer any questions you have. I'm going to give you a little bit of background about me. I've been in network marketing for about 4.5 years now. I started with digital marketing and affiliate marketing, and now I'm in the MLM business. I am actually direct under Jessie Lee. I actually followed her from another former company, and we've been tight ever since. So I've been fortunate to go on a lot of the promoter trainings in Kentucky, and there's more coming up, and you guys are all welcome to go too. We have a few a year. But anyways, let's get you guys started. Let's get you guys running up with success. And I'm just going to show you guys how to get started with the Empire once you've been joined into the Empire as a promoter. So, okay, so once you guys have gotten into the promoter, being a promoter with the Empire, you guys are going to want to, you should have been tagged, I should say, into the units. So if you see right here, I'm going to show you guys with my mouse exactly where to go first and where you guys need to start with your training. So first thing you need to do is go to units over here on the sidebar, click on units, and then up will come, and you should have been tagged in all of these units if you become a promoter. If the person that you signed up with has not added you to these, make sure you guys get trained properly under the units tab. What the units tab basically is a getting started, boom, 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 boom. Watch these videos one by one until you're done. And then there's numerous ways that you guys can find other information in the Empire for better training and better success to help you guys grow fast. So you click on the units, and then you want to go in here to the getting started, and you want to start with the getting started. Now, I don't know why my computer is running slow, but it is. So what you want to do is you want to get to the getting started, and you want to go through every single one of these videos. And when you're done, there's a little button, let me see if it's here, that will tell you that when you're done, you just click this button right here, I'm done. That's going to let the person know that you joined under, that you have completed your task. Now you want to do that, and it's very important that you go down the lines and you do the units. So the other thing that you want to do is, well, let me go over the units with you guys. So there's getting started, there's the iPhone shortcuts. Let me go back up here to getting started. Or maybe it'll just let me go down. Okay, so there's the iPhone shortcuts, which is great because you can use your phone for this business 100%. So Jessie Lee teaches you how to set up your shortcuts in your phone, so you can just type a word and automatically that message will come up. If you watch that video, you can learn how to do that. Second thing is, make sure that you guys, every single month on the first of the month, we get to choose a rank. So August rank, you get to choose a rank. If you're a beginner, you can start at 1. If you're a really go-getter and you've been in the business for a while and you know what you're doing, start with rank 3 and above. that's what I would recommend, and you can work your way up. Now, this is a very, very good video. This is the Pruvit training. It is huge. It is a step-by-step live training that Jessie Lee did with our whole group. We do trainings every Wednesday night, but she did this one special just for our team. This is going to help you guys. She tells us exactly what you guys need to do to get started, and it's a must-see. So make sure you click I'm done on all these. Texting system. We have a text system where you guys can text all of your customers, text people you want to, introduce the company to or the products to. You can text them your new, flash sales that we have, if we have new flavors that come out, just to see if they're interested. It's really awesome to set up. Add tag message, where to add tag message. So our company, our empire, this is why we are so successful, because you don't need to know everything to get people to join your team. All you need to know is you add them to a group. We have 3 groups, like I said in the beginning, SPR, We Prove It, and the Empire. You add them, you tag them, and you message them and tell them where you sent them. You want them to go into the SPR to learn about the product or to learn about what ketosis is. You add them into the group, tag them in the video, the pinned top video, and then you let them know what you did. And then you go back and you talk to them. Training schedule, this is very important, you guys. Getting on the training weekly is very important. Monday night, Jessie Lee does a product live share on her wall. Wednesday night is the Empire training live Zoom. And Thursday night is the sizzle. So if you guys have anybody in the We Prove It group, anybody that wants to join your company with us, send them to these videos. It tells exactly what you guys need to do for that. How to create coupons, that's in your back office. How to change your referral code, these are all necessities. How do I do trials? So when you guys get started, you want to start by selling trials with the product you have. Make sure you watch the Getting Started video, what you need to know. And I am available for questions. And here's your starter checklist, you guys. So go through all of these in the units. These are the most important things to do first when you get started. And then if you joined only paying the $37, I would recommend, if you want to pre-sell a kit and you don't have money in the beginning to start with an expensive kit, you guys, there's 3 levels. I'm gonna share with you guys to go into the search all the way over to the left, go into the search and type in pre-sell, hit enter, and what will come up is how to pre-sell your trials. And it talks about shipping. So right here, Angela Bean put up a post about pre-selling your trials, how to do it. And then if you guys have questions about shipping, packaging, I'm happy to help you guys. I'm also going to shoot a quick video on how I package my personal trials. There's also another video in here by Tiffany Caudell, and she tells how to send out trials as well. But there's so much information here. So you want to pre-sell your trials, pre-sell as many as you can. So you have that money to go towards your kit. Once you get the kit, you mail out those trials and you'll have, you will make money from your trials. I'm going to tell you that right now. And we have prices. I believe it's all posted in there. And if you guys have any questions, please go to the Prove It team chat that you've been entered in with our personal team. I'm here to help you guys out. So that is going to get you guys started. If you have any questions, please private message me, private message the person that added you into the group that you guys joined with. And we are all here, to help each other. We raise each other's crowns. We are the Empire, and yeah, let's grow together and let's do this. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. But I hope this was helpful for you guys. Feel free to go through all of the whole Empire, snoop around, look around, because that is our whole training page. But start with the units and go from there. All right, you guys have a great day. It was awesome to meet you, and I can't wait for you to get started with us. Have a great day.